Here we go, guys. Let's get ready for part 2 of our phonics lesson, which is when we review our skill for this week, which, if you remember, is magic E. All right. So remember, we have studied this example for all week now. We know that this word is the word tape. And we know that it's tape because we see our magic E at the end of the word, which hops over the P or the consonant and makes its friend A say its long vowel sound. So our word is tape. Good job. So remember, if we hear a long vowel sound with a single consonant sound behind it, we're going to have to use that magic E. All right? Now, let's make sure that you have your phonics journal, okay, or your whiteboard, and you're going to get ready to write some words. All right? Here we go. Our first word is crave. 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 All right, I hear that. Crave. All right, let's see how you did. Do you have C-R-A-V-E written down? If you do, kiss your brain because that is the word crave. Crave. We have to have that silent E. Word number 2, bone. 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 Think about it. We hear that O saying its name. Bone. All right, let's check it. Bone. B-O-N-E. Bone. All right. Word number 3, note. 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 All right, let's see how you did. Note. N-O-T-E. That magic E working its magic. Our next word is, this one might be kind of tricky, so listen for your sounds and really think about what sounds make, or what letters make these sounds. Okay, number 4, quite. 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 Here's a hint. This word is going to have 5 letters. Quite. All right, let's see. Q-U-I-T-E spells quite. All right, and our last word is Steve. Steve. And remember, it's a name. That is someone's name. So we need a capital letter at the beginning of that name. Steve. All right, here we go. Steve, S-T-E-V-E. Good job. All right, now we are going to diagram our words like we did the other day. So here we go. We are going to diagram our words. All right. Remember, the first thing we do is we look for our vowels. So underline the talking vowel, mark it with a V. Okay, so we're going to underline. We're looking for our vowels, right? We see an A and an E. But what do I know about an E at the end of the word? Is that the talking vowel? Nope. That's that magic E. So my talking vowel is my A. And remember, if we have a vowel that says its name, we're going to draw that straight line above it because that means that it is long. It is a long vowel. The next thing we're doing is we need to look for any blends that we have. Do we see a blend? Yes, we do. We have the C and the R, which are working together. Cr, cr, cr. So now I know I have cr. Ave, crave. Good job. The next word. Here we go. Underline the talking vowel. Mark it with a V. Here we go. Which one of our vowels is the talking vowel? Very good. It's going to be that O because the E is silent. All right. And we know that our vowel O, since it says its name, is a long vowel. Do I have to put a box around this B? Nope, because it is a single letter that works by itself. So now I know that my word is B. Own. Bone. Good job. Let's look at word number 3. Here we go. All right, my word is note. Remember, step 1, underline the talking vowel, mark it with a V. We have O and we have E. All right, let's look at it. Which one is my talking vowel? Very good. It's that O because our E is silent when it's our magic E. All right, we know that our O is long, okay, because it says its name. So now we have N-O-T, note. Good job. All right, let's look at word number 4. Here we go. All right. Now, let's look at this word, y'all. There are 3 vowels. Let's look for our talking vowel. Underline the talking vowel, mark it with a V. What do I know about this? I know that a U is a vowel. I know an I is a vowel and an E is a vowel. Now, I know that I is followed by a single consonant and 1 E, which means this I is going to be my talking vowel. And it's going to be a long vowel because it says its name. Now, I'm going to look at this. Let's look at this. What else do we know about this vowel U? Why is that not our talking vowel? What does that U always go with when it's in the sentence or in the word? The Q, right? Q and U, we're going to box those around because Q and U work together to make one sound. So we're going to box those together. So now I know that this is quite. And we have to mark that E out because it is silent. Quite. All right. We have one more word today, which is Steve, right? Steve. All right. We start with our vowels. Underline the talking vowel. Mark it with a V. Which one's our talking vowel? Here it is. Our E is silent. The second E is silent, which makes our first E long. Do we have any blends or digraphs that are working together? We do. We have st. So we know Eve, Steve. Very good. Now, if you are going to use your whiteboard for your sentence, you are going to need the whole board because our sentence is kind of long today. So make sure you take a picture of these words to submit to Miss Gates before you erase your whiteboard, okay? I'm going to go back to my other presentation. Let's review our words. We're going to read them when they come up. Crave, bone, note, quite, Steve. Good job. All right. Now it is our turn to write a sentence today. And our sentence is going to be kind of long. I'm going to tell you how many words we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 sentences in this word. Oh my goodness. So like I said, if you're using your whiteboard, you're going to need the whole thing. So make sure you take a picture first and then you can use your whiteboard. Okay. So here we go. Remember, there are 12 words in this sentence. It's long. If you need to pause your video, if I get to going too fast or if I get too far ahead of you, pause it. Concentrate on those words, okay? Because we're really working to learn our spelling and to work hard on our spelling. So go slow, do your best, and then we'll check it. So here we go. Our sentence today. Steve, the dog, left a note that said, I crave a bone. All right, I'm going to read it one more time and then we'll break it down and go slow. Steve, the dog, left a note that said, I crave a bone. All right, here we go. Steve, the dog, Steve, the dog, Steve, the dog, left a note, left a note. Remember, use your pound and finger tap strategy if you need to, especially for that word left. You're going to want to hear all those sounds, left. So far we have Steve, the dog, left a note that said, I crave a bone. I crave a bone. One more. I crave a bone. All right, so remember, our sentences should begin with a capital letter, end with a punctuation mark. Now, you could have two different punctuation marks at the end of this sentence, depending on how you want to read it. So I'll let you choose what you want to do. I'm going to read it one more time. Steve the dog left a note that said, I crave the bone. All right, let's check it. If you have not finished writing your sentence, pause the video now. If you have, let's go ahead and check it. Here we go. Steve the dog left a note that said, I crave a bone. Now, this word said, you might not know how to spell it, but it's one we're going to use a lot. So you're going to really want to pay attention to that one, okay? If you didn't spell it right, that's okay. If there are other words in your sentence that you didn't spell right, that's okay. But what we want to do is we want to go back and fix them because that is what good writers do. Good writers edit their work. Okay, so if you see a word that you did not spell correctly, go back and edit and fix it. All right? Very good. Okay, our last part for today is our red word practice. Now, I told you to get a red marker, but I don't think we're going to use it today. We're going to use a different writing utensil. We're going to write our words on our hand. Okay, so I'm going to use my hand, and I'm going to write it with my finger. This is going to be my writing utensil today, okay? So we're going to write our word on our hand. And I really want you to press down because I want you to feel how that word feels as you're writing it on your hand, okay? So here we go. Get your writing page ready and your utensil ready, and here we go. Our first word is these. These. Here we go. We're going to spell it 3 times together. Remember, we're writing it on our hands. It's okay if you look at the words on the screen because that's what I'm doing. We want to make sure we're spelling them correctly. So here we go. Ready? These. T-H-E-S-E. These. Let's do it again. T-H-E-S-E. These. All right, one more time. T-H-E-S-E. These. Good job. All right, give your hand a break. Let's do our next word. Here we go. Use. Use. Here we go. U-S-E. Use. Good job. U-S-E. Use. Here we go. U-S-E. Use. Good job. Give your hand a break. Here we go. Our next word, many. Many. Here we go. M-A-N-Y. M-A-N-Y, many. M-A-N-Y, many. One more. M-A-N-Y, many. Good job. And our last word is which. Which, remember, this is not the Halloween witch. This is which one will you choose? Here we go. Last word 3 times. Here we go. On your hand. W-H-I-C-H. Which. W-H-I-C-H. Which. Here we go. W-H-I-C-H. Which. Very good job, you guys. Make sure you take a picture of your words and your sentence and submit those on Seesaw, and I will see you guys in reading. Bye.